Hi everybody. I just can't wait one more minute. I just had this here to help the camera focus. I can't wait one more moment to share with you this package that I received from Canvas Core Brands and from Springdale, Arkansas. And I was so excited on the day Shannon Green brought this video out on YouTube and talked about what's in it. And every so often, Canvas Core comes out with and I'm sure it's Shannon Green's doing, because I only noticed that this started after she was there. So this is a little burlap sack and it has goodies in it. So I'm going to get those out. And then we have some beautiful paper here, if I can get it out. That looks like weathered wood. And coffee stained ledger. Wow. My grandma and grandpa would have been so upset if they had stained their leisure like this. And now it's art to us. I hope you can see everything all right. And the other thing inside this little sack bag is a set of stamps that I just love. And I only recently have actually gotten from my Goodwill haul stamps and a stamp pad. So now I have stamps. And what Shannon Green said when she brought it out was to say that it looked like these would be perfect for inchies. And they are. Some of them are absolutely perfect. I have never even held any of these before. Types of stamps. Even that is. These are collections from the Journey called Clear Stamps Conservatory, 7 Gypsies. I just want to take one out and handle it. I'm not sure what the words say. I'll have to play with these right away. Oh, I'm so afraid of tearing them, but of course you notice that's not keeping me from ripping this thing right out. Carte Postal. So that's a part of that little. Oh, they're written right on the back. They're all written on the back. So that's very cool. I shall keep it in here for now. That's an extra one. Woohoo! Sorry, I'm just so excited. I've had it here for a couple of days and I just haven't even felt like making a video. So these are called Abandoned Treasures, and you just go on the website of Canvas Core. Oh my gosh. This is leather. The color of leather. And I'm just going to leave that. It's called Inks. Mixed Media Inks. Loads of color and extended drying time. Scrapbook safe. This is called a Clear Snap. So this is the little stamp pad. And here's another one. Sorry I'm taking so long. I can't help it. And this is different. Mossy Moose Mungo or something. I'm not sure what that is. And it's for short, it's just nicknamed Mossy. So that's Mossy. Yeah. And look at this, a key. Can you imagine? I was so excited the day she brought this out. So it's a clear key stamp. Yikes. And here's a fan, a very nice fan, kind of like a doily stencil. And some little ephemera. More of the key. This is a French key, I guess. It says French. Tissue paper with key stuff. A crown, and these are tags, as you can see. Some little cardstock type papers. These are gorgeous. These are just so awesome. Look at this. It's textured, it's like embossed. This must be one of the 7 gypsies. I love it. Little small corrugated. You know, I'm not too sharp with some of these things. I'm not sure which end is up. Maybe this end is up, but I would think that the top of these little swirls would be up. This is so cool. It's all modeled. And look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. These are all to use. Maybe they're cutaways. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I'll have to look up Shannon's video to remember what all of these are called. But they're swirls, and all kinds of different little shapes to embellish journal pages with. Yikes, I can't wait to work with these. Awesome. Oh, I thought maybe she said there were some. Is that canvas? That's canvas. That's canvas, and like maybe it's burlap. It feels like canvas, but I think it's burlap. This is fancy burlap. One, two, and you pull it so that it'll be distressed some more. See, I'm an artist, I know about that stuff. Oh. Super, super cool. And look at this. More fiber. Just all kinds of this burlap. Tons of it. Got to get every last thing out. And this is just nice cardstock. You know, like the leftovers, the cuttings from the cardstock that they used for different things. And this is what we would all use to make tags and ATCs and iCads. Well, the texture on these cards is really nice. All kinds of cards here. Tons of cards. I'm so excited. So that's my package. And I have some envelopes over here to make a very small mini journal. That's all ready to go. I've been getting that ready. And these are, that's my 1 minute. So let's make sure I have everything here. Oh, this is not a list of contents. This is just my order. It's called Abandoned Treasures, and this one is the Conservatory Stamp Kit. I love this. Shannon Green, thank you so much for doing this. This is just awesome. And it's been sitting here, and I didn't want to open it without my YouTube people who I love and adore, you all. So I'll just put this back in when I say good night. Tomorrow I'm going across. I am feeling better. I did see the dentist on Wednesday. I am going to have the tooth out. The tooth is cracked all the way from the top of the tooth to the gums, down to the root, rather. It's a, whatever that's called. It's not a horizontal fracture, it's a vertical fracture. So that's why, and because there's bone loss due to the infection, because it's been there all this time and we didn't know. So that's why I've been so sick with it, and it's not like just a cracked tooth.